Good morning to all students. Students, you are most welcome in online class from Divine Public School. Students, today's uh, class is class 12th, subject economics, book name Macroeconomics, and chapter number 2, National Income and Related Aggregate. Students, we shall read about in this chapter a concept of the national income, domestic and national concepts of incomes, gross and net concept of domestic product at market price and factor cost, and aggregate related to national incomes and otherwise. So now start the first topic, concept of national income. Concept of national income. Dear students, national income is the sum total of factors, incomes earned by normal residents of a country during the period of an accounting years. An accounting years. Once again, listen carefully. Concept of national income. First, national income. National income is sum total of factor incomes earned by normal residents of a country during the periods of an accounting years. These definitions of national incomes offer two important observations. First, national income and second, national income includes factors income only, and second, national income includes income of only the normal residents, only the normal residents residents students. In the national income, two topics very important, two topics. Even national income includes factor only factor incomes, and second, national income includes income of only the normal residents. A deeper understanding of the concept of the factor incomes and normal residents. Two words come in, factor incomes and normal residents. So students, first time we are we shall understand the normal factor income. What do you mean about the factor income? Incomes incomes are broadly classified as two. One, factor incomes and factor payments. B, transfer income and transfer payments. Students, income classifies two factors. First, factor income or factor payments. And second, transfer incomes or transfer payment. Transfer payments. Factor income. Income included the two parts. First, factor incomes or factor payments, and second, transfer incomes or transfer payments. Factor income are related to the factor income related to the service of factor of production. Factor of production. This is the included to factor of production. There come the four topics, four parts like lands, labor, capital, and entrepreneurships, and inter entrepreneurships. These are main factor of productions: lands, labor, capital, and entrepreneurships. Students, production hire, purchase, and factor services from the households. In returns, the households receive payments from the producers. These payments are called factor payments. Once again, in returns, production hire, purchase the factor service from the households. In returns, the households receive payment from the producers. These payments are called the factor payments. From the viewpoints of the households, these are called factor incomes. Factor incomes or factor payments are broadly classified some more parts. First, compensation of employees. First, compensation of employees. The factor income received by the households, the rendering their services as employees of the production unit. And then after, second point, rent. Rent is very important. Rent, the factor payments receive the households for the use of the lands and the producers. Once again, look the topics. First topic, compensation. Compensation of employees. Employees. Second topic, rent. Students, rent, the factor payments received by the households for the use of lands by the producing units. Once again, rent, the factor payments received by the households for the use of land by the producing units. And third topic is interest. Interest. Dear students, the factor payments received by the households for the use of their capitals by the producing units. Once again, listen carefully. The factor payments received by the households for the use of their capital by the producing units. And fourth point, profit. Students, the factor payments received by the households for the use of their entrepreneurial skill by the producing factors. In this fourth estimations of national income, we include only these factor payments. Transfer payments are not included because transfer payments are illiterate only the sided payment like charities of grants. These are not related to any kinds of works for services rendered by the owners of the factor of production. Students, only factor payments are included in the estimation of national income. Once again, only factor income. Only factor income Students, only factor income included. Once again, only factor payments. Only factor payment are included in the estimation of estimations of national income. That is very important. Only factor payment included in the national income. Transfer payment or not. Transfer payment are not included in national income. Only factor payments included in the national income. Meanwhile, never included the factor payment in the national income. That is very important point. Student, this is the first video. Remainings description will be in the next video. Thank you.